Error 11. Welcome to this video. I'm sorry you're facing difficulties, but we are going to fix this error 11 super quick and easy. Let's start with explaining the error itself. Error 11 tells you that the evaporator is too warm in cooling mode when the compressor is on. This happens when the evaporator is warmer than 24 degrees Celsius for longer than 30 minutes. Evaporator temperature must be between 5 degrees and 15 degrees Celsius in cooling mode when the compressor is on. Press the S key and find C01 with the arrow keys. This display shows you the evaporator's temperature. Now we know the two causes of this error, it's time to go check and repair. Firstly, check if the compressor is on when the compressor symbol is shown on the display of the Opticlimate control panel. When the compressor is not on, while the compressor symbol does show on the Opticlimate control panel display, first check contactor KM1 in the electric compartment. Open the electric compartment and find the contactor. When the contactor is OK, check capacitor connections from compressor. Open the right side of the unit and find the capacitor. Please be aware for the shock hazard. When all connections are OK, replace the capacitor for a new one with the correct specs. Please note, skip this step when you have an Opticlimate 15000 Pro. Now we know what to do when the compressor is off, let's have a look at what to do when the compressor is on. When the evaporator temperature is too warm while the compressor is on, please check the water flow. Use a bucket and stopwatch to determine the water flow. You can see on screen the correct water flow for your Opticlimate. When the water flow is OK and the evaporator temperature is still too high, the unit has not enough refrigerant. Add refrigerant following the correct procedure. After you have managed this, press and hold the R button to erase error 11 from your Opticlimate control panel. I hope all worked out well for you and that the error has now been resolved. Should you require any additional assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us.